If you want to eat more veggies with me this year, follow along. This soup is loaded. We've got fresh or frozen spinach, or onions and garlic. Yep, they count. Plenty of tomatoes, celery and carrots, a few peppers, some fresh herbs, and even a squeeze of lemon. To build flavor, we've got bay leaves and Parmesan, and we're using Italian sausages. I mean, hot Italian sausages for added flavor. It's gonna be a gooder, so come join. Brown that sausage. While that's cooking, let's prep our veg. When your sausage is browned, remove it from the pot and keep all but 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add your onions, your celery, and carrots. Let it soften and add your garlic. Add some fresh thyme, dry thyme, oregano, or Italian seasoning, a dash of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Add a little tomato paste for body, tomatoes, and 6 cups of stock. For extra flavor, I'm adding some Parmesan rind, bay leaves, and a little acid in the form of a squeeze of lemon. Let that simmer and get all those veggies nice and tender. Then add your sausage and sweet peppers and your tortellini. Let that tortellini cook and then add your spinach and your cream. Oh, look how good that looks. Oh. That is so good. Seriously, you've got to try this. Recipe at gettystore.com.